Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to activate Xbox Live Gold Card. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on your Xbox game app, if you're using the computer, this is how you're going to do it. So open your Xbox game app and log into your account right here. So after logging in your account, you just need to go to your settings. So in order to do that, just hover on your icon right here on the top left corner. So this is your profile right here. So just hover it and go to settings right here. So after you go to the settings, these options will appear, and as you can see, there will be a redeem a code right here. So you just need to ready your Xbox Live gold card, and just redeem it right here. Enter the 16, the digit codes right here, and your Xbox game gold or Xbox Live Gold will be redeem, and you can use it. But if you're using your Xbox itself, so what you're going to do is to go again to the Microsoft Store or the Xbox app on your Xbox, and just go to your settings, and you can just redeem your code again there. And yeah, that's how easy it is to activate your Xbox game Live Gold card. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.